Hi everyone. So today's video is going to be a huge haul from Boohoo of maternity clothes. I am currently 27 weeks and 4 days pregnant. So I'm officially at the end of my second trimester and I start my third trimester on Monday, which is super exciting. Everything's been going really well so far in the pregnancy, all straightforward, low risk, no problems so far, touch wood. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a couple of hauls in total of clothes from Boohoo. I found their maternity stuff really reasonable and a very, very good range, especially for the price. I couldn't really justify spending a lot of money on stuff that I'm only going to wear for a few months, and I've been really, really impressed with their range of maternity clothes. I used Boohoo before anyway, so I've got a lot of Boohoo clothing in non-maternity style, and to be honest, I couldn't really be any happier with their maternity stuff. If I could, I would literally have everything that they sell maternity wise, but I can't really justify spending like £500+ on maternity clothes. But Boohoo are amazing. They've always got discounts, they've always got deals. You never have to pay full price for anything, which is probably part of the illusion that you're getting a discount so you want to buy it more. But anyway, we'll just pretend that that's not what's happening to me. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoy this video. It was very exhausting to film, which was surprising to me actually. I wasn't expecting that. But yeah, I hope you enjoy it. So here's the grey vest top. They're really nice and thick, as I said. They aren't see-through at all. They have a lot of room as well. Nearly all of my clothes, unless I tell you otherwise, are in size 12. Before pregnancy I was kind of a size 10, sometimes 12. I just wanted to get everything in a comfortable fit. I didn't want to feel tight anywhere. So yeah, this is the grey. You can see I'm 5'7", so I'm relatively tall, so they come just below your bottom, and it's a really nice fit. And then we'll try the black. And this is very similar fit. It feels slightly more fitted actually than the other one, but as you can see again, it's completely opaque. And then the white. Yeah, and the white again. Nice and opaque. So here's the first t-shirt. This is in a kind of, I'd say, beige brown colour. Again, it kind of comes to just about crease of your bottom, and it fits really nicely. It's a baggy fit. Again, this is in a 12. I think it should carry you to term. I think when you're at term you're probably just going to be a bit tighter, or you might need a bigger size actually, because this is definitely getting more snug as my bumper gets bigger. And then we'll try on the black. This is the black. They feel like really good quality. It's not that they're 100% cotton, but they are really nice quality tops, and they're airy enough to make you feel like you can breathe. I don't really like to wear tight things on the bump all of the time. And then last is the white, and this is the white t-shirt. Really, really good value for money, and you're going to use this throughout your entire pregnancy. Looks a little bit opaque, I can see from, especially with these lights, you can see the top of the jeans, but it's honestly nothing to worry about. I just wouldn't wear a coloured bra with it, just wear like a neutral or a white bra. So please do try to excuse the creases. I haven't actually worn this one yet. This is what it looks like from the side. As you can see, it's a kind of gathered material to allow you to get bigger and bigger, and I would say this top is going to carry you well to term with no problems at all. Because it's quite ruched here, I feel like it makes you look a lot bigger than you actually are. So yeah, I'm going to keep this one for when I'm a bit bigger, but it's super flowy and lightweight. It feels really, really comfortable. And then to the stripy white and black. So this is the black and white stripes. This one's slightly less ruched, so I feel like it's more kind of true to size as to how big you actually are. This one's really lovely. It is 95% polyester, so it is quite artificial feeling. It's quite a sweaty material, you know what I mean? So you wouldn't want to wear this on like a really hot day because it would probably make you feel really, really overheated. But for me, I just felt like these clothes are only going to fit me for a few months of my life, and I don't need to be spending a fortune on them. For the price point and the quality, these clothes are fantastic. As you can see, it's super comfortable. It looks like it's got lots of room to stretch, and like it would carry me to term as well. And I think it's a very cute little flattering top. Okay, and then for the jeans, this is the blue skinny pair. They've got the waistband. I really like this. I prefer this to the kind of ones that go under the bump. Goes all the way around to a nice height. It's definitely only started fitting me in the past couple of weeks. Before that it was too big, and it was definitely too big like around the bottom and things, but you can thank pregnancy to make sure you always put on a bit of weight everywhere. So it's a really nice length. As I said, I'm 5'7" and it comes really nicely down to the ankles. They're very, very thin. They don't feel like good quality jeans, but I've had absolutely no problems with them, to be honest. I don't think you could tell by just looking at them that they were poor quality. And as I said before, they're going to last me a few months, so I'm really happy with them. Then onto the black. Then moving on to the black jeans. These ones that feel slightly more thick. I don't know if I mentioned before, I got both of these in a size 10, so I ordered them in a 12 and they were definitely too big, so I did have to size down a little bit. Again, we've got the Maternity waist belt, nice and stretchy, feels really comfortable. Same with the other pair, they're starting to properly fit me everywhere now, whereas before they were really baggy, especially around the hips and the legs. Again, these are a really nice length, come right down to the ankle, and I would say these feel like a slightly better quality pair than the blue denim, which is really bizarre and interesting, but they do feel slightly thicker. But again, really, really nice pair of jeans. Then the last piece of denim are my beloved dungarees. And then onto the dungarees. I haven't actually worn these since being this big. I bought them when I was about 18 weeks, so I tried them on then and they didn't fit. Obviously they were too big at the time. These are just so cute. Honestly, when I think about maternity clothes, I just think dungarees and pregnant women are just the cutest thing ever. The height on the, or the length, sorry, on the dungarees is actually really good for me. Just above the ankle, which would look really cute with a pair of Converse. There's some elasticated banding on the sides here. Same kind of material as the jeans, and there is a bit of room here. So this band here is relatively tight. So as you get bigger, I think you basically are just expected to pull these straps. So basically as you get bigger, you're kind of expected to just keep adjusting these straps, bringing them lower and lower so your bump can kind of grow and grow. So these are just super cute. They don't feel like they're the most flattering on the bum, but honestly, you can't say no to a pair of dungarees. So this shirt is like a thick, fleecy, warm material. It's a checkered red and it's got kind of short sleeves, cropped sleeves. You can wear this obviously completely done up. It has a lot of room to grow. I'm pretty sure I got this in a size 10 as well because the 12 was humongous. Or you could just wear it with something underneath, obviously, and wear it open, which I think is a really cute look. This is a really nice winter piece, or even, you know, how the UK is in the spring if it was quite cool. This would be a really nice piece. Then moving down to the leggings, this is the seamless elasticated pair. They seem pretty opaque to me. They don't come up all the way, so they kind of come up to your belly button, but I do find that they just slip down when you're walking. But they are obviously a nice fitted design. They feel really comfortable. Length is good, again, straight down to my ankles, no problem with being too tall for them. But as I said, when you're walking they do literally just slide all the way down. That's the only downside for me. I do prefer the over the bump leggings, which I'll try on next. And here are the over the bump leggings. Obviously I know to you guys they are just a black pair of leggings, so you can't see a lot of difference here. But if I lift my top up, you can see these come all the way over the bump, which is super comfortable. They've got the design where the stitching comes all the way around the bump. So yeah, they're super comfortable. They've grown with me really nicely. I've worn these since I was about 18 weeks. They get a bit bobbly, that's the only thing. These are from a 2-pack as well. I think these leggings you can buy in like a 1, 2 or 3 pack. But yeah, I'd really recommend these as a basic pair. Oh my god, kudos to all of the try on haul girls out there. I am so hot and I feel shattered from this experience. So my first piece is this black dress. It's actually a nursing dress. It fits the bump really beautifully. There's a lot of room to move in here. It's a size 12. For me, I find just above the knee to be the shortest that I would like to go. Any higher than that and I feel quite uncomfortable, especially I think when you're pregnant. You don't want to be getting too much leg out. Personally, I don't want to be getting too much leg out. It's got some batwing sleeves on here, and if I come up close, don't worry, I'm wearing clothes underneath here. There's this tie-up piece here, and if you undo that, you've got access to your boob, so you can breastfeed, which is really awesome. I think that's a really, really cool addition. So if you were breastfeeding, taking your baby somewhere to an event or something, and you wanted to be able to have quick access to feed them on the go, I think this is a really, really cute dress. It's also quite a thick material, it feels very warm, so I wore this more in the cooler months. I'm not sure, it might be too warm for summer. But on to the next one. So, I love grey as a colour of clothes. I really, really gravitate towards grey everything. I just can't help it. So this is a really, really cute long sleeve, down to just above the knee dress. It's actually also a nursing dress, so again, you've got this part that you can lift up and then you can pull that part down, so you can feed in public, at home, you know, you just get easy access basically. There's lots of room in here, it doesn't feel like it's going opaque with being stretched or anything, and it's really figure hugging. I really, really like this dress. You could even, you know, you could dress it up if you wanted to wear it with heels, or it can be just a day-to-day kind of dress as well. On to the next one. So this one is very similar to the last one in the sense that it's a nursing dress, so you can lift up the top. This one, the top is more of a normal scoop neck, but you can still, it's quite stretchy, you could still pull it down. And also this one opens at the back as well, whereas on the last dress it was all one piece on the back. So this is obviously a black knee-length dress. If I stand back for you, you can see that. It's quite a thin material, so it wouldn't surprise me if it was slightly opaque. I would obviously be careful about what underwear I was wearing, but because it's so thin it feels really breathable. It's really stretchy. You could pull the sleeves up if you wanted to. And I find this a very, very comfortable kind of dress to wear. There's a lot of stretch left in here as well. It doesn't feel too tight at all. Once again, all of these dresses are in a size 12. I know it doesn't really look like I've changed dress, but this is a long black dress. It comes up just to below the ankles. Again, it's the same kind of thin, stretchy material, feels quite breathable. And this was just for me kind of in the evenings, especially as I get bigger, if I get uncomfortable, chuck on this dress with a pair of flip-flops and you're bound to be in some kind of comfort anyway. But this is just a very basic maxi dress, really. Next. Speaking of maxi dresses, here is a really, really cute black floral maxi dress. Don't know if you can see that, but it comes a bit lower than the other one, right down to the ankle. It's got some ruching on the sides to help you stretch, and strappy top. This is the pattern. It's just a very nice, sweet floral design. This is, again, probably 95% polyester. It feels quite cheap, if I were to say it, put it like that. But it's a very thick material. You can see it's completely opaque. It's a very, very pretty dress. I really, really like this one. I feel like because it's black and it's quite thick as well, in the UK it's definitely enough to keep you warm, even in like the cooler summer or cooler spring, sorry, or like cooler summer nights. It's a really, really lovely dress. The next is my all-time favourite outfit. It makes me feel like a little kid. This is the cutest outfit. So this is a culotte jumpsuit. I think that's what they're called. It's got a cute little, so it's black with white floral design on it. I've paired it with a very much a cropped white t-shirt. I think that's kind of the cutest way to wear it, with like a high neck t-shirt as well. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. It's a nice thin breathable material. As you can see, the legs are quite baggy and it just hugs your bump in the most gorgeous way. The seam comes down the front, so there's lots and lots of room for your bump to grow, and it is just adorable. So I haven't actually worn this one yet, apart from trying it on when I first bought it, but I think it's the cutest little outfit. It's a dress with straps at the top, super cute, some buttons at the side, lots of room for growth here. On the website, the model paired this, or they paired the model with, who was wearing this with some like knee-high boots. Obviously you won't be wearing that in the summertime, but I just thought this was such a cute little outfit. You can wear it with tights as well, you don't have to wear bare legs. This is just because I'm doing the quick try on haul for you, but Really comfortable. I think this is really stylish as well. And I have a little jacket that I can pop on with this. So you wouldn't have to necessarily wear this together. I just thought since I have this dress on, I can pop this jacket on with it to show you. I got this jacket really early. I think this was around 16 weeks that I got this. It is a maternity jacket. So it's got some folding at the front. It kind of goes however it falls. It's really nice and unique. And you can wrap it around, and there's also a tie. Now I'm bigger, I can see there's not like loads of room around the front for as you get bigger, but I think that's just a really cute jacket. I think I personally prefer it open, and I paired it with kind of an all black outfit, but this would be really cute over any kind of basic dress. So the last thing that I almost forgot to show you, I just saw it sitting on my hanger over there, is my favourite maternity top actually. This is in kind of a cream colour. It's a tight kind of knotted wraparound front, so it wraps open like this. It is a polyester material, so it is like a lower quality material, but because it's quite loose, especially around the arms, it feels quite breathable still. It's really, really cute. It's good for, if you have an office job, it's good for something formal, but also you could dress it down. Either way, I think it grows beautifully with your bump also. I think the bigger you get, the nicer this top is just going to look, to be honest. Yeah, it fits really, really nicely in all the right places. I think we've made it to the end. So all you crazy cats and kittens, we've made it to the end of that try on haul. I don't know if it's normally meant to be that difficult. It's like been a really, really warm day in the UK today, and I'm pregnant, and I've got a ring light on, so I'm so hot and I actually feel completely exhausted from this experience. But I hope you enjoyed having a look at all of these different maternity clothes. I think I've got a good range. I don't think I have a crazy amount, but I think it's quite a good amount to carry me through to the pregnancy. I was actually going to buy some more things, but we're in isolation now and I've got nowhere to wear any of these clothes, so until we come out I don't think I can justify spending more money on maternity clothes. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, gave you some inspiration. I will try and put a list with links down below. Some of these items may not be available anymore, but I will have a good look on the Boohoo website. Nevertheless, there is so much nice stuff on there, so definitely check it out. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.